Hi friends, today I discuss about the amino acid and protein. Amino acid, that means the name is denoted amino acids. That means amino group with acidic, that is called amino acid. And this polymer of amino acid is called the protein. Without amino acid and protein, our body is not composed. This is the structural, all these nail to hair, all are composed by the protein. And the protein is composed by the amino acid. Around 300 amino acid in our nature, but in our body human system only 20 amino acid are present. This amino acid is so important for biological function, the major role for the biological function in the different section. So that's why today we discuss of the amino acid and protein and their function and what are the function role of biological importance. And simultaneously we say that please stay at your home, you are not alone, to prevent COVID-19 in this lockdown period. I think it will be helpful to all of you, all the students also and all the listeners also. Where note the study of this? First on the protein engineering. Because the protein is the totally different. Protein is a part, around 15% is requirement of our body is composed by the protein. Protein which is the different function, and protein is composed all the structure and of the body. The enzymes are the protein, the different hormones are the protein. The immunoglobulin, there is a immunity. Nowadays the most pandemic situation, the COVID-19. In this protein, that means antigen, the viral antigen or the virulence, that is also protein. So there is a protein structure and how to identify, how to isolate and how to prevent. So this is very important topic to what the structure of protein and how to identify it and how to structure. That's why the proteins engineering, structure and body growth and major components of the body and curing the different disease also due to protein disorder, and it will be how it will be recovered it. So without in words, no protein, no lives. So please listen it carefully. The protein is so important compound in our body. What is before that? The polymer of amino acid is the protein, but the amino acid are the derivatives of carboxylic acid formed by the subunit of the alpha hydrogen of amino group functional. Here it is the basic general structure of the amino groups. R is the side chain, NH2 amino groups, and CH alpha carbon and C double H group. This R group is the side chain R group and amino groups. These are the common group NH2. That's why it is at least one amino acid contain one amino group and carboxylic group. If it is excess carboxylic, that is acidic. If it is excess amino group, that is basic. But all the amino must be at least one amino group and one acidic group must be present. What is protein? The word protein is coming from the graph words proteose. Proteose means it is primary. In case of education, the primary is the first education, primary school, then secondary, higher secondary, then graduation after thereafter. But in case of protein, it's composed by just like a one building which is composed by the brick, sand and cement. Here it is the protein is the component to build up your body. There no longer necklace. The protein is like a long necklace with the different shape of beads, and each beads of small molecule is called amino acids. And composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen arranged and or the body 14 of our body. There is so many function. It is composed by the protein is composed hair and nail. The protein is called alpha keratin and beta keratin, which is composed of nail and hair. Muscle, all this muscle is composed by the protein. Cellular management, that means all the receptor and their signaling and their metabolic function that can be produced by the cellular messenger antibody. Today is the most important compound against the antigen, the antibody which is produced by the humoral or by the any means or B lymphocyte or T lymphocyte, that antibody which is basically in the protein in nature. that are helps for the defense against of the body against some foreign invaders such as bacteria and the virus. And the bloods, which is also protein that carries oxygen and nutrients for every part, every cell of the body. And brain and nervous cell to channel protein, control the brain signaling by the allowing the small molecule into out, and even the nerve cell. Enzymes, all the enzymes are the protein in nature. Their metabolic function and the metabolic rate can be controlled. All enzymes which are composed by protein except ribonuclease, which is the nucleic acid derivative. Otherwise, thousands of enzymes are involved in our body, and their biochemical or metabolic function, they are composed by the enzymes. And cellular construction, even the hormone like insulin, ADH, antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, which are also composed by the protein. And cellular construction worker and huge cluster of the protein from the molecule and mechanistic function are by the protein. So we can see that the protein is the component which is so many function. Otherwise, protein, without protein your life process will be stagnant. What the source of protein? Generally the source, natural sources is milk, meat, fishes and other fruits, vegetables, which are supply the protein also. The function of protein, there is a different functions like structural function, collagen, bone, tendons, cartilage, keratin, hair, nail, wool, nails, movement function, muscle, actin and myosin, which is muscle movement, and transport function, basically the hemoglobin, myoglobin to transport oxygen, lipoprotein transport the lipids, storage protein like casein in the milk, albumin in the egg, which is stored in the body. And sometimes the structure also different. Hormone, insulin, which regulate the blood sugar level, growth hormone, which regulate growth, and protection, immunoglobulin like IgG, IgA, IgA. This is very important. Snake venom, plant toxin, which is protection of this immunoglobulin for production of the antibody which fight against the bacteria and viral also. Enzymes like sucrase, pepsin, so many enzymes which catalyze the sucrase, enzymes which catalyze or metabolic function. Protein deficiency and excess. Protein deficiency symptoms are always observed. Either protein energy and extremely food energy deficiency is marasmus due to deficiency of protein, and extreme protein deficiency is called the kwashiorkor. There is a two protein deficiency disorder. One is the marasmus and kwashiorkor. It's very important. Please listen it, remember it. The two disease overlaps most of the time and together it's called the PAM. Protein deficiency malnutrition, world the most widespread malnutrition problem. That's why in case of ICDS and the central government also that to egg, or in case of egg in the diet in the ICDS program, the milk will be provided along with eggs, and sometimes it is malnutrited, the 2 egg will be provided because the protein will be deficient or protein can be compensated. Include both marasmus and kwashiorkor are the state of overlaps. Hunger, physiological craving of the foods, and progressive discomfort, illness and pain resulting the former lack of foods. Protein types, generally structural protein function gives the shape and structure of the protein, just like the albumin, which is actin, tubulin. Enzymes catalyze the biological reactions, pepsin, trypsin, adenine cyclase. Sometimes receptors, so many receptor, alpha, beta, gamma, delta and mu, so many receptor which is a protein. Glutamate and steroids, other function have a specific function, antibody, nuclear factors and nuclear peptides. What do amino acids? An amino acid are essential for the life with its metabolism and improper function. They are the short-term polymer chain called the peptides. About 75% of the human body is made up of the chain of amino acid, which are the vital, and how it is the system function and all the chemical reaction that occur in the body depend on the amino acid and the protein buildup. The type of amino acid, basically the non-polar, polar, acidic, and based on the polarity, there is a hydrophobic and hydrophobic carbon chain. Polar means hydrophilic and acidic means hydrophilic, and basic hydrophilic substances. There are the alanine, serine, in the non-polar alanine, polar serine, and acidic aspartic acid, glutamic acid, basic lysine, arginine and histidine. The mechanism of amino acids. The amino acid which is bind to the food and digest. After digestion it goes to the liver and ultimately they produce some transamination and deamination. They produce energy and the excess compound which is toxic, ammonia, which is excreted through urine in the form of urea. The structure of protein, the side chain, the unique chemical structure attached to the backbone of this amino acid, different amino acid in the different essential amino acid. These are the amino acids which are either cannot synthesize your body, which is synthesized, which is coming from the diet, but all are essential. Essential means there is essential. Essentially means non-essential. As per essentiality, they are divided into two types: only the essential and there is the non-essential. But all are essential. Suppose you prepared one building or purchase one flats. Suppose 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs is needed. In your hands 18 lakhs, but 2 lakhs is needed to purchase the flat, and it will be coming from loan from bank. The 2 lakhs is important than the 18 lakhs, because if the 2 lakhs is not borrowed from the bank, that you cannot purchase the flat. That's why 2 lakh, in that case the 2 lakh is important, but in 18 lakhs which is not important, this is also important. This is the relation between the essential and non-essential. Actually all are essential, but essential compound which are not synthesized in our body, which is coming from the diet, that type of amino acid is called essential amino acid. There is a short form Vitality LYMPH. These are the 10 essential amino acids and 10 non-essential amino acids. The structure of protein conditional essential amino acid peptide bond. Basically the protein is composed by the two bond. One is the peptide bond, another is a disulfide linkage. The peptide bond for one amino acid amino group react with the carboxyl group of the another amino acids. The essential amino acid: valine, leucine, isoleucine, threonine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, tyrosine and arginine, histidine. The two short form Vitality LYMPH, and other is the non-essential amino acid. Peptide linkage: CONH. Here it is the one amino acid react with the another amino acid, they form a CONH. This is called the peptide linkage. And peptide and the proteins, so all the peptides are combined together, form a number of protein, or at least more than 50 peptides to form a proteins. Protein types and the structure: generally 4 types of protein: primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Primary is the actually all are primary. They are higher version is the secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure. Primary structure is the composed by the primary structure is composed by the basically peptide bond and disulfide linkage. Secondary is composed by the peptide disulfide along with the hydrogen bond. Tertiary is composed by the peptide disulfide hydrogen bond along with some hydrophobic interaction, van der Waals force. Quaternary also same: peptide disulfide hydrogen bond, quaternary hydrophobic interaction and van der Waals force. Though in this case, in the secondary structure is more important. One is the 2 alpha helix and the beta plated sheet. The alpha helix, basically the alpha beta is coming from the first one is determined alpha, that's why it is the alpha helix, but beta, which is later on discovered, that's why it is the beta. Alpha helix is stable by the H bond between the NH of this group and CO group, NH with CO group residue, alpha helix or helical like structure, it is called the alpha helix. Secondary structure or triplet in the helix consists of the 3 alpha helix composed by the together glycine, phenol and hydroxyquinone. Beta plated sheet, it is just like a sheet, and the NOH same, it is formation of hydrogen bond, one sheet, and it is a composed by the N terminal to C terminals or C to N terminals, sometimes C to N or N to C or C to N or vice versa. That is called the denaturation of protein. In case of the heat will be generated the tertiary structure of globular. This higher structure in presence of heat or physical component, it will be changed, and the structure will be changed. The first primary structure, it is called the denaturation protein, just like a coagulation of the egg will be coagulated in presence of heat. The enzyme also lose the catalytic activity when it is denatured, but when heating of eggs, it is called the denature of albumins. Their structure will be changed. Actually this disulfide linkage will be breakdown. So thank you all the listeners. If you please helpful us or any queries, please comment in my comment box, and please subscribe my channel, and Thank you, thank you, thank you all.